look who it is. With the Nardo Gray wrap. And a cop. Dude, this color looks insane, bro. Yeah, guys, we made it to LA now. We had the homie Kicks with this new wrap GTR. Bro, it looks so freaking good in Nardo Gray. That shit's hard. I actually thought about doing Nardo, but I can't do it now. I literally was gonna do it. I'm not even joking. But he did it and the homie Sammy did it. So if there was 3 of us, I think it'll be too much. But I am thinking about wrapping it, guys. Very soon. Probably like literally next month. I just gotta find the color. I really need help. I cannot pick. I kind of don't even want to wrap it. I like the black, but I want something that stands out more. This thing, you can't even tell what it is at night. And then we got the homie Anthro Supra. Sheesh. I guess there's a little car meet going on tonight that we might head to. The homie's Vet. And yeah, I think there's like a car meet tonight in downtown LA, so that's where we're probably gonna head to after this. Guys, look at this shit.
Yeah, man.
Damn.
We're ready.
What if from a movie today? Oh my god, bro, look at this.
That's crazy.
We're doing it on GTR or what?
Hell yeah. When it gets out, bro.
Are you gonna do it in yours?
Yeah. Have to.
Don't do it. He's stuck, bro. Oh, he made it up. I don't know how he's gonna get out. Damn. Alright guys, we're rolling out. So we got 2 GTRs, Anthro Supra, this Vet, and then that Supra. Oh! Oh, that lip is done. Woo. That's so loud.
Insane.
Thumbnail. Yeah, but it was hella cops. It's kind of sketch. Damn. Well, we parked way over here. But of course, it's shut down. Guys, every single night car meet gets shut down. I'm not even joking. It never fails. But yeah, there's hella cops. Oh my god. There's a lot of freaking cars here, bro.
Hell yeah.
That's hard.
Hell yeah.
Bro, it looks like yours. And an R32. Whew. That's hard, bro, with those wheels. Look at this, guys. Undercover cops right here. Dude, they blocked that guy in. Look at it. No way. Woo. Look at that. That's a GTR. FindingNick right there, bro.
That's don't find Nick.
M3 boys. It's always sick seeing an E92. This is the new block camera, guys. This shit's worth as much as my E92 probably. Or my GTR, I don't know.
Nah, GTR is a whole nother level.
Crazy, look at it. It's like a movie, bro. A Fresh Kicks documentary right here.
That's dope.
Uh-oh. Everyone's about to be starting now. Once one person revs, bro, everybody starts revving. Damn, we got a Rari.
I ain't got no insurance.
Oh my god, I feel like someone's gonna crash right here, bro. Oh. Oh my god, bro. These Mustangs are about to hit each other. Bro, imagine somebody just comes to the curb, over the curb, and hits our GTRs. I feel like cops are hella mad now, bro. Oh my god, bro. God damn. Guys, this place is crazy now. Look at this. Whose engine's about to blow? Bro, I swear that Corvette, he's about to blow his motor. He's been doing this for like 20 minutes. And then the cops over here are like, pissed, dude. Oh my god, bro. Dude, you can feel the heat. That shit is crazy. That shit is insane, dude. I freaking love GTR flames.
You sit down.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. We just made it out here to North Hollywood. Met up with the homie Kevin and a bunch of other BMW homies. And today's looking like a BMW day. We brought the E92 out. We actually both brought our E92s out. Me and Kevin have not driven these cars in a while, but we came to meet up with these guys. So it's only right to bring the Beamer out. Also, as you guys know, in last video, my GTR tire popped on me. So I'm waiting on new tires. They should be coming like next week, maybe by like Wednesday. So a couple more days. So we had to bring out the E92 today, which is cool, but I'm kind of bummed because tonight we might go to a little car cruise with all of these people. And I heard a bunch of supercars are coming to this cruise, and I wanted to freaking race some supercars. You guys know how bad I wanted to pull up and race some supercars, but we brought the E92 out, so now it's just gonna be trying to catch up to everybody, to be honest. But look, the E92's out, looking all clean. Kevin's orange lime rock, it's like old times right here. I think like when we both first started YouTube, we both had these colors on our cars, and it's pretty crazy to know that like this was 2 years ago we had these colors, and now we're back with the same colors again. But yeah, we got two 92s out here. We got the homie Daniel's M4 and M3. Our homie Daniel owns both of these. You guys remember this one? I think we raced him a few weeks ago in my vlog. He has both, guys. He has an M4 and he has an M3. And it's cool because that one's stick shift and this one's DCT. So he has like best of both worlds, bro. It's crazy. M4 and an F80. I guess he just couldn't decide on what to get, so he got both. Must be freaking nice. This is like my favorite though. The F80 in this color exactly. This is actually the color that I wanted, and I still want an F80 to this day. I really want one. Honestly, I'm probably gonna buy one in the future no matter what. This is a car that I've always loved, and it's an M3. It's just perfect. Like the drive's nice, it looks nice, the inside's nice, everything. But it has to be this color. This is the color I want to do. It's called SYCKWRAPS Orange, I think. So it's a little bit of orange, red, but it's beautiful. I freaking love this color. And then Daniel's that big baller with the HREs right there. On both the cars. Both his wheels probably cost more than my freaking E92 right there. What's up, Kevin? Is your house or what?
Welcome to KG Estates.
Give us a MTV Cribs.
All right, let's do it, bro. Paid about 2.5 mil for the crib. You know,
for real? That's it?
Out here.
I'm just kidding. And this is the homie Daniel's garage. A bunch of BMWs today, bro. No Nissans.
Only yours is welcome today.
But yeah, look, his garage is sick. All the M logos. I'm trying to make my garage look like this, bro. Oh my god, look what just pulled up. Sheesh. What's up, bro? Damn, that shit sounds crazy, bro. See, guys, if only I had my GTR, we could have raced that dude. Bro, look how bright Kevin's light is. I feel like you're a cop, bro. Bro, this thing is sick, dude. R8. I think this might be the next whip, guys. Alright, guys, we just made it to this little meetup spot. I guess hella cars are meeting up right here, and then they're gonna go on a little cruise. But there's so many cars. There's a GTR over there too. I'm so sad I don't have mine, bro. We got the homie Antro Supra bringing back the underglow. Woo, look at this. Bro, TEs too. I'm so freaking sad, bro. He got it. Barely. Oh, look at the cop, guys. Woo. Oh, yeah, I think the cops are pissed. Oh, they're going after somebody. We got this sick ass GTR here. The wide body one that I always see. Damn, look at this Huracan Performante. Just chilling over here. That shit is so loud. Alright, guys, it's very hard to film. We went on a big ass cruise, but I forgot my GoPro. You having fun or what? Bro, look how cold it is.
I know.
You can see your breath, dude. It's cool. It's just hard to film because we're cruising and there's not really anything going on.
Orange. Yeah.
What's up? We got Alex Choi here in the McLaren. Oh, I thought he was about to hit that. He's exhausted. Oh my god. About to get it fixed finally. We got another tow truck here. And I'm about to go to the tire shop, get some new tires, and I finally have the GTR back. I actually really miss driving it, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I've been driving the E92 for about a week now, but I don't know. GTR is just so much fun, dude. Look how good it looks, too. All right, guys, made it back here to the homie pet shop, like always. And then he got a new Mustang, too. If you guys remember, he had the white one that was twin turboed and everything. Now he has the red one. I think a newer year. I don't know. It looks sick as though. I love this red, and I love these freaking wheels, bro. That's crazy. And Mickey Thompson's. Woo! What was that? Sounds like a Supra or something. But yeah, you got Mickey Thompson's on it. I think these are the same tires that we got for the GTR, but it's gonna be sick. There's the man himself.
Can't believe you.
What? Dude, these are actually the same wheels I have on my E92, except these are like the drag racing setup. They're like skinnies in the front, and then the big bead locks in the back, which is pretty sick. Before we had M&H's, which are really good tires too. Both like drag street tires, but I'm gonna try the Mickey Thompsons this time. And then we need to get this thing washed, because look at this. Hella dirty. Look how flat it is, bro. I forgot how wide these freaking tires are. But look how messed up they are. Oh my god, dude. The rest of the tire isn't that bad, like just some little damages, but I wonder why that happened. All right, guys, the tires are all on. It needs a car wash really bad. Gotta get some tire shine on these things. We're about to do a little alignment, make sure all the tires are perfect once again so that they don't wear out wrong. Bob's and Al's tires. Or hit up the homie beds. Look at that exhaust though. Damn, that shit's really gold. And just like that, the car is all clean. We got new tires. Look how clean it is, bro. Oh my god. But yeah, we got the Mickey Thompsons on. Finally gonna try out the Mickey Thompsons. They already feel a lot better, honestly. Driving, they feel a lot better, and hopefully they last a little bit longer. They're still like almost pretty much slicks, drag radials, but they're more for like the street. Hopefully they last long. Hopefully they last longer than the last ones. The car's washed and clean. But yeah, shout out to Pets for helping with the tires, and then shout out to Upscale Detailing for getting this thing all clean.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.